Hi kids, today I am going to drawing an umbrella, so let's move. First I am drawing the handle of the umbrella. Now I am drawing the canopy of the umbrella. And finally I am drawing the flowers on the umbrella. Super! This umbrella looks so pretty. Now it's coloring time. Pink. I love painting so much. Do you love it? Blue. Green. I am going to painting with different colors. Sky blue, violet, orange, yellow. I love this umbrella so much. Do you love it? Red, pink, sky blue, awesome! Finally this umbrella looks so colorful with beautiful colors. Let's clap for you. Bye bye cuties.